Home prices in the Triangle are down as we head into what is typically some of the busiest times for the housing market. It's a big drop off from this time last year when prices were almost at their peak. WRAL's Matt Tallhelm joins us live in North Raleigh to explain this shift in the market. Good news, of course, for home buyers, Matt.
Yeah, it is, Lena. You know, a year ago, I had a realtor describe it to me as sort of the wild, wild west because buyers were competing for homes with offers tens of thousands, even six figures over the asking price. Now, these new townhomes here in North Raleigh are selling for the mid 300s. The broker here tells me buyers now have more power to negotiate than they did a year ago.
To say stressful is an understatement.
Tanisha Heights' family is getting their home between Cary and Apex ready to go back on the market.
We're just taking this time to make sure that it is the best product that we could put forth as a family.
They listed it for sale late last year with their realtor, Devin Giovacchini, but didn't see the influx of offers they expected.
And we've just been dealing with some of those challenges of folks being able to afford a higher priced home.
Now, buyers who were priced out by soaring home values and rising mortgage rates are getting some relief. A new report from the National Association of REALTORS shows the median home sales price in the Raleigh area fell to $420,000 in the first 3 months of this year. That's a 4.3% drop in a year and $56,000 lower than the peak price of $476,000 this time last year. In the Durham-Chapel Hill market, the median sales price dropped to $412,600. That's down 1.3% from the year before. Prices there peaked at $458,500 last spring.
We just have to remember we're comparing a really extreme market of last spring to a more normalized pace, in all honesty, of this spring.
Jessica Lautz is deputy chief economist at the National Association of REALTORS. She says the drop in prices is likely temporary.
For homeowners who have been in their home and are planning on staying put, it really is not a cause for concern, as they likely will continue to see price appreciation into the future.
Now, one of the things that may help some buyers who were forced out by those higher interest rates to warm up to the spring market is the fact that interest rates for mortgages right now are actually the lowest they've been in 5 weeks. Today, they dropped down to 6.3%. But that is still 1% higher than last year, and that can mean, $200 a month or so on a mortgage for that median price house here in Raleigh.
Yep, still high. Matt Tallhelm reporting live for us in Raleigh. Thank you.
A little bit of good news, a little bit of bad news on Wall Street today. Inflation did slow again last month. That marks 10 straight months of moderation when it comes to inflation. Disney shares, though, dropped and rattled the markets a bit as it continues to lose subscribers for its Disney Plus streaming service. The Dow slipping more than 200 points, closing out the day at down 221 points. The S&P ended in the red. The NASDAQ, though, closed out the day slightly up in the green. That inflation report gave us some insight into the prices that businesses are paying for goods. From March to April, the producer price index rose 0.2%. That's less than expected for the year.